I'll be showing you how to permanently delete messages on your Mac. So when you go to the Messages app and delete a message or a conversation, so for instance, a conversation like this, you can right click and hit delete and then confirm by selecting delete. Now that conversation can still be retrieved by someone who knows their way around a Mac and iOS devices. So to permanently delete that conversation, simply with the Messages app open, go to the top menu here and click on View and then click on Recently Deleted. Now that's going to show you all the recently deleted conversations, and you'll notice we have this message here. Now these ones will stay here for up to 30 days before they get permanently deleted. But if you want to permanently delete right now, just select and then click on Delete and then confirm by clicking on delete those two messages in that conversation, and that's how you permanently delete messages on your Mac. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly even subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.